In this video, I'm going to show you how to use fast user switching on the Mac. This is where you can switch between users quickly without having to log out and then log back in. You first want to head up to the top left hand corner and click the little Apple logo, and then come down to System Preferences. And from System Preferences, you want Dock and Menu Bar. And on the left hand side, you want to scroll to Fast User Switching. Now you can add the icon in two different places, Showing Menu Bar and Showing Control Center. Showing Menu Bar appears here, and Showing Control Center appears here. I prefer to Showing Menu Bar. And then when you want to quickly switch a user, you click the little icon, and then you select the other user. The little orange tick here indicates which user is currently logged in. Selecting the next user will quickly switch to that user. And that is how to use fast user switching on the Mac. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below and check out this next quick Mac tip, and thank you for watching.